I wash my car on Saturdays. I wash my car on Saturdays. I change the tires once a year. I change the tires once a year. I check the oil once a month. I check the oil once a month. I fill the tank with gas every week. I fill the tank with gas every week. I use GPS to find new places. I use GPS to find new places. I keep my car neat and tidy. I keep my car neat and tidy. I drive carefully in the rain. I drive carefully in the rain. I feel free when I drive. I feel free when I drive. I start the engine. I start the engine. I stop at the red light. I stop at the red light. I take my car to the mechanic sometimes. I take my car to the mechanic sometimes. I clean the inside of my car. I clean the inside of my car. I turn left at the intersection. I turn left at the intersection. I listen to the radio while driving. I listen to the radio while driving. I park my car near the office. I park my car near the office. I slow down near schools. I slow down near schools. I lock my car when I leave. I lock my car when I leave.
I wait for the green light. I wait for the green light.
I drive slowly in the morning. I drive slowly in the morning. I check the mirrors before I move. I check the mirrors before I move. I pick up my wife from work. I pick up my wife from work. I put the key in the ignition. I put the key in the ignition. I put on my seatbelt first. I put on my seatbelt first. I open the car door and sit inside. I open the car door and sit inside.
I drive to work every day. I drive to work every day.
I have a small car. I have a small car.
I wash my car on Saturdays. I wash my car on Saturdays.